we have to use algebra to explain why the property of proportion is true. So we have that k minus L over k plus L is equal m minus n over m plus n. If this is true, then k over L is equal to m over n. So let's start from this proportion. We have k minus L over k plus L. This is equal to m minus n over m plus n. What I can do here? First, to get rid of this proportion, I will cross multiply. So k plus L we multiply times n minus n and k minus L times m plus n. So let me write this in parentheses. We have k minus L times m plus n is equal k plus L times m minus n. Next, I will do multiplication. We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. The same we have to do on the right side. So we have k times m, so it's km, k times n, so it'll be kn, negative l times positive m, so it'll be negative lm, negative l times n, so it'll be negative l n. This is equal k times m is km, k times negative n, so will be negative kn, l times m, so will be lm, l times negative n, so will be negative ln. What next? We will combine the like terms. We have on the left side km and on the right side, so we can reduce this. What else? We have negative ln and negative on the right, so we can also reduce this. So we have kn only on the left minus lm, so this is equal negative kn plus lm. So I will combine the like terms, so I will move negative kn to the left and negative lm to the right. So kn will be plus kn, so this is equal mm plus lm. So we have on the right side two expressions, kn is equal to expressions of lm on the right. We have multiplication, so I will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce. So we have that kn is equal lm, because we have here that k over l is equal m over n. We have to get this proportion. So what I will do next, because we have L on the right, and we have multiplication here, so I will divide both sides now by L, and we see that on the right side we can reduce, and we have kn over L is equal m over 1. What next I will do? Because I don't want this n on the left side, I will divide now both sides by n. So it will be over n over n. So n and n we will reduce, and what we have that k to L is m equal to m to n. We got exactly the same expression which we have here. So if this expression is true, then that is also true. We start from this part and we got that. So this is my solution.